Hi, good afternoon, everyone. And this time I'm taking for thank you for NCDC. Actually, I joined NCDC class on April 9th. When I was started, I had some basic knowledge of English, but I didn't know how to express myself confidently, and I was hesitant, shy, and afraid to speak even though understood things. Before joining the NCDC, our class, as for example, whenever I went to a shopping or anything, I'm living in Sharjah, anything, I was scared to ask about the price of product, not because of didn't know the words, but but I can lack of the confidence. I used to remain silent even when want to speak. But after joining our NCDC class, everything changed. Day by day, I started to seeing improvement in myself. Slowly, and I gained the more confidence speak up. And now when I go to a mall, I ask questions and all. Now I don't hesitate anymore, and I feel really proud to myself. And after 15 days joining, we began our practical session. We were divided into groups, and that was the another turning point. We got to know each other, shared ideas and creativity, and we worked together. And it was we became the one of the best group, and we learned many things from our groups. And actually our creativity is very improving. Um so that the all changes I experienced over the past 2 months, all the because of NCDC class. And of course our NCDC team members, our Baba sir, Bindu ma'am, Smita ma'am, and my classmates all are very supportive, and always I will always grateful for this journey. Okay, thank you.